Find recipes from the Hancock Lobster Company. Hancock Gourmet Lobster Company is a business that has enjoyed numerous awards and recognition for their lobster recipes and outstanding service. It has been featured in the Oprah O Magazine and has always been recognized by other media outfits for its delicious products. The Hancock Company has been around for 10 years and is now considered as the best seafood provider. Fresh seafood, crab legs, and mussel recipes can be found on their website. This is an excellent option over ordering out or cooking steaks. They are located in Cundy's Harbor in Maine, and sells products through gourmet shops and through online shops. Seafood delivery has never been easier for people who want the luxury of eating specialty lobster while having dinner at home. Even better, you can learn how to make these delights yourself with help from the recipes. Steamed mussels in tomato broth. You should try this recipe. It has only a few basic ingredients like cored plum tomatoes, white wine, and extra virgin olive oil. For oil, do not use too much so that the dish will not turn out soggy. Choose tomatoes that are ripe enough to give off that Italian flavor in your broth. A few garlic cloves would do, but you can try putting in more. Garlic is positively good for your health. When buying mussels, get those that do not have hair all over the meat and check for foul smell. Shop for mussels that are fresh and smell as if recently plucked out of the sea. Steam the mussels and wait till they all open up from the heat. For white wine, you can use any dry white wine you have. As a recommendation, try Noilly Prat, a French wine. So you just need to make a broth using the tomatoes and the wine, then scatter parsley on top. Then, the dish is ready to be served. Lobster Quiche. This recipe is definitely a eater's temptation. It is made up of some of the most sinful ingredients like cheese, cream, sugar, and eggs. A taste of this and you will forget eating in portions. This dish has a very simple recipe. You just need a baking oven and all the ingredients like lobster meat, scallions, paprika, and the rest of the sinful ingredients. Mix all the ingredients together and place on a pastry pan. Bake the dish for 40 to 45 minutes. You will not miss the delicious aroma coming from the oven once the dish is baked to perfection. Coffee can ice. For a bit of a sugar rush and adding pounds to your weight, there is the coffee can ice cream. It is favored by coffee lovers and ice cream fanatics alike. It is made up of sweetened condensed milk, cream, salt, ice. It takes a bit of time to make one, but you can choose from the different flavors you can experiment with on the link given above. Why not make coffee with an exciting twist to fill and satisfy your senses? Lobster is the specialty of the Hancock Company, but they have a wide variety of seafood to choose from. The recipes you can try above are from their website. Of course, you can always simply order in.